Hi, friends! Today I'll sing a song about sharing, because sharing is caring. Let's go!
Benny the bunny hopped down the lane, found a big carrot after the rain. Oh, my whiskers, what a treat! This is the biggest thing I'll ever eat. Share, share, don't you care? Happiness grows when friends are there. One for you and one for me, sharing makes us all happy. Benny thought, I'll eat it all. But then he heard his best friend call.
Hi there, Benny, what did you find? Benny said, come on, let's dine.
Share, share, don't you care? Happiness grows when friends are there. One for you and one for me. Sharing makes us all happy. When you share, the world feels bright. Hearts feel warm and smiles shine light. Big or small, it's always true. Kindness comes right back to you.
Hop, hop, hooray!
Yay! Sharing is caring, friends. If you liked our song, tap like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you soon. Bye-bye.